Well, folks, today is a bench cleaning bonanza. And after if you've went back a few videos, there's going to be a few videos ahead, hopefully, if I don't screw up the order and bounce it somewhere else. I'm doing a bench cleaning video today because I have all that shit on my bench. It's like mostly these crappy hammer stuff that's in the way. It's piled this high in here. So, and what am I doing all this stuff? I have no idea. I have no idea where I'm putting this shit yet. I know the vice grips are going here, which I should have two. If I had my other camera, I could put 2 angles. But we're not that cool today. I can't find my little claw either. I would have moved my camera. And I'll show you what's on my bench. It's ridiculous. It's totally ridiculous. I took all the stuff on the bottom. See this big pile of crap here? This is a giant pile of, well, it's not even plugged in. There we go. Ta-da! This, let me get some gloves. This is my old hammer holder. That can go in the scrap pile. For now, anyway. I put it in the scrap pile just so we have clamps, and more clamps. These are Berger clamps. Honestly, these Berger clamps, I think are made just as, probably made in the same damn factory as every other clamp. So, I wouldn't buy fancy, expensive clamps like that. See, this is a standard Cincinnati tool clamp that I got. I'm gonna put all these down here for now, on the floor. Hammers. What am I gonna do with all these sickly looking hammers? There's little pieces of stuff here. Basically what I'm doing is I'm making a mess somewhere else. So these things can go, I guess, in here. Oh, look at that. I have a drawer for that. I got a drawer for that. Will it fit in there? No, it won't fit in there. This is stupid. Okay, it goes in there. Got little tape measures, which, believe it or not, I don't know which video suggested these things, but I've been using these things like instead of going like this every time, and you want anything under a foot, these things are awesome. Like, I don't know why. Whoever the hell's video I got that idea from is the best idea ever. My brand new 18-year-old DeWalt drill. Take the hammers off here, and the hammers off here, and the hammer off here. Where's all the hammers going? Probably in the hammer drawer, but actually some of the hammers are going to go around my anvil. You'll see a video coming up of my anvil, and my anvil has a new home right behind me right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. You can see that. There's an anvil in here. It's my friend the anvil. All right, let's put this work in progress down here. This, you know what these are good for? Making new pedals and stuff. All right, we're gonna put wipes in the drawer. Okay, drawer won't open because there's a damn bucket of steel in the way. Wipes in the drawer. What else? Clamps down on the floor. More clamps. Maybe we should put this somewhere. I don't know where to put it. Oh, look. Vice grips. We can put vice grips over here. And we can put, I'm going to show you a picture this after. Because I love vice grips. Does anybody know I like vice grips? Just curious, because in case anybody asks what they gave me for Christmas, I'll take a vice grip. Actually, don't send me vice grips. You know why? Because nobody knows what I have, and nobody wants 14 of the same tool. I lie. Open knife. See, I got like stuff like this. I can never find these things, these punches and stuff, and they're always in the way. So I'll put these punches down here. This is a block of aluminum I'm working on. More vice grips. But what's nice is now to have a drawer here. See, like, I always use these knives, but they're always sitting on the bench. Now it's right here. I can just swoop down like Batman and go, ooh, Ginsu knife. Maybe not like that, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. And no, I'm not putting 75 pairs of vice grips here. There's a reason why. Because I'll never get in the drawer. See, pens? I can put pens in here. Depends. I can put little pieces of projects that I'm working on. I can put these awesome BMC locking pliers right here, back where they were when I started. And I can put the other BMC locking pliers right here, back where they were. See, I even got this new weir wrench. I'm going to lose it in the pile over there. It's a little weir wrench. We'll put it down here. Why? I have no idea. I got this strange, I cut up someone's old table, and I have no idea what the hell kind of wood that is. But when I cut it, oh man, this is like, it is so smooth and soft, it's amazing. Soft as a baby's. I won't say that word. Put this out of the way here. It's hammer time over here on the beanbag. I'm putting all the hammers on the beanbag. Some of the stuff I will put in the drawer as soon as I get another drawer mat. I'm going to put some of the, what do you call it? These things, because you can't really clamp these on anything, but they're really damn useful when you put them in the hole in the bench. So I'm going to put these in the drawer. Strong hand tool stuff is simply amazing. And what else? Rulers. So you can put these in the drawer here. The rulers like Genghis Khan, you know, those kind of rulers. See, I got Leatherman. If you want to put in the drawer. Ow! Son of a bullet. I got another one. Hold on. Oh, this sucks. Okay, folks. Sorry about that. I also have the pegs for my table, which as soon as I get that in there. I also have, this is for my, this is a 1-inch Craftsman wrench, what I use on my Roper Whitney bender, because you need a 1-inch wrench. I'm thinking of cutting it off because it's, I don't need this end. I could just cut it off and use that end, but I need this end only. This is kind of too big, so I might grind it down too. So that goes in there. I have way too many of these. In fact, this thing, I brought my welding one to the house working on, and I brought the wrong one, so got them back. I have about 10 of these things. What else? That goes there. These don't belong here. They belong in the drill bit drawer. They belong in the wheat boxes. Wheat a minute. What else? Rags. Or wipes. Oh my god, it's actually getting organized in here. What the hell is it? See, like this. This is for a future project. But I'm always wondering where shit is, so I'll put it in there. Knives. Or knives. Most of this stuff's big tool. That goes over a milling machine over there. That's a headlamp. That's my hat. But like I have this little dish here of stuff. These I gotta put down there too. This is, I won't use this. I have all these little nickety-knack things like I'm always using a regular screwdriver. Phillips, a flathead, and another Phillips mini screwdriver. What do you call it? Deburring thing here. Let's move this back here. Of course, let's move some of the junk here. So, like deburring tool, another pocket knife. What else? Another scrappy screwdriver. Pens galore. I'm always using pens and markers. So, is it in any kind of organizer? See, mini crescent wrench. You never know when you might need a mini. This stuff I can actually put over here. My scribe. What do you call it? Tweezers, which I just put in here because it's like what, the third freaking little mini. Oh, it's even got the little, it's a snap-on screwdriver. See, it's that little thing to put in. It's a nerd-on screwdriver. Pens, other deburring tool. Probably get my finger deburred off on that. So now I don't need this fancy dish here. I could take that off there, and that's all fine and dandy. Mini screwdriver. Yeah, I'll put the clamp in the drawer here. So now I have a nice little organized spot here. Clamp. This has got to be as a clamp. Another clamp. Another clamp. Forget the joint crescent. What do you call it? Tape measure. The croissant tape measure. That's got to go back. Okay, the rest of it's fine. So anyway, what I did was, let me show you here. show you my little thing here. Let me take this off of here. Stop that for a minute. So now, after I just turn the camera on, in Video Central here, I have this is a toolbox tour. I have a drawer full of junk. See, it actually has a liner. I have a drawer full of more junk. That's what I showed you. And I have no liner in this one. There's a couple little things in there. This one has a couple of clamps. And this one's got Huggies wipes. There we go, see? And will I be hitting with my foot? Of course, because these things don't really stay closed. But it's pretty good. It's just a, you know, a beater box. Put stuff in. And over here, we have lock and pliers. I should make a little thing right here, like right here to here. Some kind of like dish of stuff. Put stuff in. So yeah, if, see, my bench is a complete creepy crawly mess of stuff. Let me turn this around. Turn around, turn around. There you go. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell all your friends, your family, and come on, get on there. Get on the rack. Get on the rack. There you go. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll show you more videos, because I'm making a few more tonight. And if you keep watching, and this off my face here, keep watching, you'll see a bunch more videos. There's a couple of sneak peek things on the bench here on the review. So thanks for watching. Toodles.